What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Once again, the Bitcoin price is dumping, and this is absolutely ridiculous because this time exactly yesterday I was filming the video and we had bullish news for Bitcoin, and now once again we have reached the upper level of this bear flag right here, and now we are starting to get rejected and come all the way back down to exactly where we were this time yesterday. This is absolutely ridiculous. It's not only from Bitcoin, it's from many other traditional assets as well, are seeing a massive dump towards the downside. However, guys, I have noticed one thing on the 4-hourly chart for Bitcoin exactly right here, which is forming, and it's actually a bull flag. So if there are any bulls out there, definitely stay tuned for today's video. What am I doing about this bull flag? Does it change my opportunities in my trade right now? I am currently short over on Ubit. What exactly am I going to be doing? I'm going to take a look at exactly this chart as well about how the market is being balanced right now, guys. Of course, all that good stuff is coming up in today's video. And of course, guys, if you haven't already joined my Chart Chasers group, it is free only until Monday. When Monday morning comes, I'll be locking this group. If there are more people in, amazing. If there aren't, it's okay. But this group will be locked and it will be a paid group as of Monday. So if you want to join, down below today's video, there is a link. Get in there for free. Even if you're not going to use it, just get yourself in there because we are posting trades exactly like this right here with massive gains right here in this group. We are posting many different trades, ADA right there, and some other ones that you can see on the screen right now. So get in the group before it is too late, before it becomes a paid group. As always, guys, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again on this beautiful Friday evening at 8:30 p.m. in Dubai. This is exactly what I want to be doing right now, filming this video, looking at the charts and seeing what is going on, and hopefully educating you guys as well. As always, guys, if you did enjoy my content, slap this video with a like down below, and if you've got an extra couple of seconds spare, drop a comment. It will enter you to win $100 on Monday. It's coming up soon after the weekend. As always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making videos about his journey in crypto. From the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch, engage, or click any of my links on today's video. Okay, guys, let's take a look at what's going on right now, because first of all, on that 4-hourly chart right here, we can see a massive dump right here. We bricked up right here to 82,000. We took the liquidity. We, in fact, got a lower high right here on the wick and on the candlestick right there. And then we came all the way back down to this support level right here, which was previously resistance back here on April 22nd and April the 27th. This is ridiculous, guys. Bitcoin pumped up and dumped back down. It's absolutely ridiculous. It's simply a liquidity trap, taking all the leverage right up here and then dumping back down to these current levels. And again, if this level right here at approximately 78K or right here at 79K, if it does break, we can expect a dump further towards the downside. But zooming out and taking a look at this bull flag right here, we can in fact see it is very much still in play. Now we have had multiple daily closes right here back in this bull flag right there, and we can see, in my opinion, it's pretty much, as of right now, if we do break below this 78K level, it's pretty much confirmed that we are back inside this bear flag right here, which will see a price target all the way down here below $60,000. That is very interesting. However, you may think, Jack, in the intro, you told me about a bull flag. What's going on? Make your mind up. You're all over the place. Yes. Well, I've actually, as I was charting before today's video, I've actually spotted a bull flag right here on the hourly time frame right here for Bitcoin. Now, this does throw a little bit of a spanner in the works, to be honest, because you can't deny this isn't a bull flag. Of course, let me know down below in the comments. It is only on the hourly time frame, but we have multiple touches right up here, 3 touches right there, 1, 2, 3 touches right there. We've got the flagpole right there, and then typically we would see a break towards the upside from the level of the flagpole. And if we take a look at where this exact breakout will be, we can see it could potentially see a break all the way here up to approximately 89,000 US dollars, or basically $90,000, 89,997. And this would, in my opinion, it would take a lot of stress out of the market if we did see a pump up here. Now, I don't think we are going to see that pump, guys. Of course, we know on the daily chart, we have this CME gap right here at 84K. I do honestly think it's gonna break this CME gap in the next I don't know exactly when, but sometime in the next few weeks, I really do think we will wick up and close this CME gap. And again, that will be an absolutely amazing entry point. Anything above 84K for a short position, that will be beautiful in my opinion. And again, if we take a look at this chart right here, we have this golden pocket right here, exactly at this level up here at approximately 84,000 or just a little bit below 85,000 US dollars. What's happening with this rising wedge as well, which I was talking about, because on the 4-hourly chart, we can see that we did break out of this rising wedge. It was pretty much confirmed. And then we saw a pump back in and now we're back out. Bitcoin, honestly, it's just all over the place. And until we do see a really structured move, we can't really understand, to be honest, guys, where the market's going to go. Of course, we could have some good news like yesterday and the Bitcoin price could pump up. Tomorrow, Trump could tweet something about Iran. The price could dump back down. It's honestly way out of my control. Of course it is. Way out of anyone's control apart from Trump and maybe a few other key political figures. But it's way out of many people's control what exactly will happen for crypto. You could have a perfect setup in the charts and then Trump could tweet something on True Socials and it could completely blow that analysis absolutely out of the water. So guys, be very, very careful when you are trading. Let me know where you think crypto is going to go in the comments. It will enter you to win $100. And again, if we take a look on the daily chart at this level right here, we can see that if we zoom in right here to the Fibonacci zone right there, the price is continuing to bounce from this area right here, the 0.5 Fibonacci. We are seeing a lot of support in this area right here. And previously we saw a lot of resistance in this area right here, and this is going to take a key part in the next move for Bitcoin, this 0.5 Fibonacci, which we can see right here. If we are going to break it and head down to the next 0.382 right here at approximately 74,600, or are we going to see a bounce up into this golden pocket right here, closing that CME gap and then going ahead and retracing down towards the downside? Again, very interesting stuff, guys. I'm still in my short position, negative 10K. Previously was negative 25K. I have got solid hands. My hands are not made of paper. Yes, I do occasionally use them to slap my face when I'm thinking about not going short. However, I really think this trade is going to play out. And again, I've got margin in the account. I'm ready to deploy capital. I'm ready to make a multi-million-dollar trade when I think the time is right. As of right now, I don't think it is. If we do see a pump up to that 84K range, I will be deploying probably at least a few 100K, if not a million, into a short position for Bitcoin. That's how confident I am. And that's how much I want to get a better entry price than I currently have. As I've told you on the channel many times, guys, it's a Friday night at 8:30. I'm not going to bullshit you. I'm here looking at the charts and I am not the most happy with my entry price for this short position. We can see right here, my entry price is at 76,900, basically 77,000. Again, if you're watching this video as of right now, you can get a better entry point than me. It wasn't the best entry. However, I understand that the first point of cause is realizing what is wrong with the entry point. The second point is to fix it. And if the price does push up, I will be deploying my margin to go ahead and fix this trade and make it even better. I'm also potentially looking at some silver trades as well. We can see right here at silver, if we take a look at it, I am very briefly eyeing a potential long position on silver. What could be happening? Again, we're seeing a massive dump right there in the silver chart, and also gold as well. I am potentially eyeing a maybe an entry on gold right here over on Ubit if we were to see a bounce right here from this level down here at 4,000. A little bit below $4,500. And again, on Ubit, it's got TradFi, so you can go over here and go over to metals right there. You can trade gold, you can trade silver without any KYC. And guys, down below in today's video, they're actually giving away a massive free VIP 2 account for everyone which joins. And if you deposit $100, you're going to get a $100 bonus. So if you want to make any of these trades, whether it be on silver or gold right here, like I was showing you, or whether it be on Bitcoin, you think we are in this bear flag, we are going to dump down to these levels right here. Down below today's video, you can go and get ahead and get yourself a free $100 with a $100 deposit, and there's absolutely no KYC. As I've shown you on my channel previously, guys, the last video, I did say it was a fake pump, and in my opinion, I was right. So I really do appreciate all the comments. This video didn't get so many views actually compared to other ones, but that's okay because the core subscribers, you guys that did see it, hopefully you did in fact get a warning before in fact trading. And again, if we take a look at this right here, the liquidation heat map on the 7-day time frame, we can see there is a massive amount more shorts right here. There is approximately 5.6 billion shorts compared to approximately 3 billion longs right there. So guys, the market is very interesting right now. That is pretty much it. Drop your comments down below if you were interested, and I'll catch you in the next one.